Today we've got something really exciting on the table, the brand new ZimaBoard 2. Straight out of the box, the packaging already gives a premium and professional first impression. Let's unbox it and see what makes this compact machine so interesting. So let's start by opening the main package. Inside the box we immediately get two separate boxes, one for the accessories and the other containing the ZimaBoard 2 1664 itself. Let's take both of them out first. And honestly, the packaging experience already feels super premium. As soon as we open it, we're greeted with the documentation on top. We'll keep that aside for now, because the main attraction is finally here, the ZimaBoard 2. And honestly guys, my first impression was really impressive. The design looks sleek, modern and premium. It has this compact industrial style aesthetic that instantly makes it feel like a high-quality tech product. On the front side, the ZimaBoard 2 comes packed with 6 useful ports, giving it a very versatile and professional setup for networking, storage and connectivity. Right in the center, we also get the SATA connectivity support, making it super convenient to attach external drives or build your own compact home server setup. And on the back side, there are 3 additional ports neatly placed for power and display connectivity, completing the clean and functional design. Honestly, the metal body feels super solid and gives the ZimaBoard 2 a clean premium look. And along with the device, we also get a detailed user manual inside the box. It includes the basic setup instructions, port information, and everything you need to get started with the ZimaBoard 2 easily, especially if you're using it for the first time. And along with that, we also get a dedicated accessories box inside the package. So let's quickly open it up and check out what's included. The first thing we get is a cooling fan. We'll keep that aside for the moment. Moving further, we also get a set of screws and tools included inside the package, which is a really nice addition for easy installation and setup. And one thing that actually stood out to me was the interchangeable power plugs. The company has included different plug options based on different countries, so you can simply use the one that matches your region. After that, we get the power adapter for the ZimaBoard 2, which we'll also keep aside for now. And finally, we have the SATA cables included in the box, making it easy to connect additional storage drives right out of the box. Since we're using the Indian power standard, I've connected the Indian plug with the power adapter. For now, let's keep that aside and move further into the box. And here, we get another package inside. So let's open this one as well. Inside, the first thing we see is the 2-bay HDD rack tray designed for the ZimaBoard 2. And honestly, this accessory looks incredibly premium. The finish, the build quality and the overall design language perfectly match the ZimaBoard itself. You can genuinely tell that a lot of effort has gone into designing every single component to give users a polished and professional experience. We'll keep that aside for the moment and continue checking the contents. Further inside, we also get additional screws and the required screwdriver tools included in the package. And this is something I really liked. You don't need to purchase extra tools separately because almost everything required for the setup is already provided inside the box itself. Now, before we begin the setup process, there's one more premium accessory left inside the package, and that is a high-quality 4K HDMI cable, which is a really nice addition for users planning to connect the device directly to a monitor or display. So finally, the hard drives are connected to the ZimaBoard 2, and now it's time to set everything up. First, we head over to the official ZimaBoard website and create an account. All you need to do is follow the instructions and continue by clicking Next. Within just a few moments, the system is fully ready to use. After the setup is complete, everything here is neatly organized into different sections like storage, network, and apps. Inside the storage section, you can easily manage your drives, create storage pools, and configure everything according to your requirements. Meanwhile, the network section allows you to control connectivity settings and even set up remote access for managing the system from anywhere. Right below the network section, you'll find the Apps tab, and this is where the ZimaBoard 2 becomes even more powerful. From here, you can easily download and install different applications directly onto your system without going through any complicated setup process. As you can see on the screen, there are already plenty of applications available here, covering everything from media servers and cloud storage tools to productivity and networking apps. Now let's create a storage pool using both connected hard drives. As you can see on the screen, both drives are detected instantly without any issues. We'll start by selecting the first drive and formatting it. After that, we'll do the same with the second drive. Once both drives are ready, we can enable the storage pool, showing that the storage has been activated successfully. Next, opening the file manager gives us access to all configured storage drives. I'll also enable the second drive just to ensure everything is working perfectly. And honestly, the performance here is seriously impressive. File transfers are extremely fast, and even app installations happen almost instantly. For testing, I installed a speed test application, and the installation completed within seconds. Overall, the experience feels smooth, responsive, and very polished. I genuinely liked this setup. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is available in the description, and you can also grab a 15% discount from there.